Hi, Foodie Chef Pete here, and today I've got a couple of beautiful turkey meatballs that I took out of the freezer, and I've taken out some beautiful broccoli, and I've got some squash, and I'm going to start with an onion, and what we're going to do is make a quick sauce with pasta of your choice to make a beautiful meal with some meatballs, pasta sauce of your choice, okay? All right, so in goes our onion. I'm going to start with onion here, okay? And today I'm going to make it simple as I can, and I'm going to use cream of mushroom soup, okay? Cream of mushroom soup, and cream of mushroom soup always comes in really handy. Keep some in your house because if you want to make a quick sauce, cream of mushroom soup is the way to go, right? Okay. All right. So I'm going to get this while the onions are going over there. I'm going to get these squashes cut up into some nice pieces, all about the same, nice and thin, nice and thin. See, so we look like that. And same thing over here. So we have a pasta vegetable dish with a beautiful mushroom sauce. And you don't have to be cooking for hours and hours. You can do this, make your pasta, have it sitting there ready to go, and you can then add whatever vegetables you've got, and then we get it going, right? So let's give this, I have my olive oil in here, and here I have my beautiful onion. We need to get it just a little more translucent, and I think what I'm going to do is add a little salt in here. Salt is always good. Salt helps to bring the flavor of things out, okay? So salt is good, and then I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, just a little bit of parsley in here, just like that, not a lot, so we get a little green color. And then I'm going to add bit of oregano. Here we go. And our onions are almost where they're supposed to be. Just a little bit of oregano there, okay? And then we're gonna go right in with our squashes. But before I go in with the squashes, okay, what I'm going to do is take this cream of mushroom and we're gonna put it right in here. Just take it right out of the can, okay? And I'm going to add some water to this, so I use hot water. You can use milk if you like. I add some more over here. Alrighty, we use up everything we have. Give this a quick mix like this. And then we're going to add some water to this. You can use milk if you like, if you want it more richer. I use water. There we go. Okay, and I have a little whisk here that I'm going to use. Okay, a little whisk right here. It's a non-stick whisk. It's made out of the nylon so it won't scratch your pan. And now we've got our beginnings of our sauce going here. Okay. Now, you can add a little garlic if you like, but in the soup mix, there is some garlic in there, so you want to be careful as to not overdo it too much. Okay, and then what I'm going to do next while I'm doing this is just add our meatballs right in here. Just 1 and 2 right there. And if it's a little too thick, what you can do is what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take and I am going to put a little pasta water in there. And pasta water helps to thin things out a little bit, but it also helps to thicken things because it has beautiful pasta. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to cook this.
Has the gluten?
Has gluten in there, yeah. That's right, Anthony? Okay.
Is that the glue?
Okay, so when we come back in our next, what we're going to do in our next installment of making a quick sauce to go with pasta is we're going to add our veggies and our pasta, and I'm going to add I'm going to now add these squash right on top here. Just put them right on top before we go. Okay, so we get them on here. And then when we come back, we're going to add our pasta. And I have some broccoli here. We'll just add the broccoli right on top. So you get a nice bunch. And today, you notice I usually put peppers. Today, no peppers. We're going with green things and a little yellow. Okay? All right, and when we come back, we're going to put the lid on and we're going to come and we're going to add our pasta and we'll be ready to go to the table. So a simple way to do it, use cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. Cream soups come in really handy. And if you use the light version of the cream soups, like this one is here, it's a low fat, and you don't use milk, you keep your calories to the minimum, okay? All right, so there we have it. One last look before we let this cook for a while and get those meatballs all heated up. And then we're gonna add our pasta in, and we're gonna have our pasta primavera, if you may, with meatballs today, done the Carpizzo way with a beautiful mushroom sauce made the easy way here in our kitchen. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Thanks for watching. I hope I make it simple enough. Let me know if I don't. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.